Good students, today we are going to study about tourism impacts. Our topic of today is tourism impacts. What is tourism impacts? Any effect which is caused by a tourism activity or policy is called as tourism impacts. We know tourism is one of the biggest industry in the world. It consists of many other industries, and basically the impacts of tourism we can classify it. We can classify it as first one, economic impacts, then socio-cultural impacts, then environmental impacts, then last one is political impacts. Let's start from economic impacts. Any activity which is related to business has some economic impacts. So we know tourism is one of the biggest economic impacts creating activity in world. So in any economic impacts there are positive and negative impacts. In any business it can happen. So let's discuss first the positive points of tourism, especially in the case of economics. In the economic scenario, in the economic way, we can classify it as the positive impacts. We can check the positive impacts. The positive impacts, the first one is job, creation of job, otherwise employment. In tourism, due to tourism we will get direct jobs, indirect jobs and induced jobs. So let's take the example of direct jobs. Because of tourism we get many direct jobs. Those who are qualified in tourism get a job of a travel agent, tourist guide, tour operator, etc. These are all kind of direct jobs. Then what is indirect jobs? The job which are created because of tourism, because this person doesn't need any direct qualification in tourism sector, but they are benefiting from tourism. Example is an electrician, a plumber. They all get benefits from the tourism. And next one is induced jobs. Induced jobs means the job which are being created due to the tourism only, not just because of the tourism, because some jobs will flourish because of the impact of tourism. That kinds of jobs are called induced jobs. Because of tourism there are many jobs for people who are taxi drivers, or people who are selling flowers, or even those who know panchakarma therapy. These things are from different fields. So they all are getting jobs due to tourism. So they are induced jobs. And let's come to another positive impact. And another positive impact is the multiplier effect. Multiplier effect means it happens due to the initial spending from a tourist. The money which is entering into the system, it circulates on the full system or in the society. So the money multiplies and it reaches everyone in the society, and it totally contributes to the GDP of the country. And the next one we can say is, because of tourism our government is getting tax. We are getting direct tax, indirect tax and induced tax. Direct tax, there are many kind of tax, and indirect tax comes when a tourist is purchasing a biscuit or a bottle of water. There is a tax which is not visible. Means that there are kind of indirect taxes which is not visible, or which are not printed on the product. So another one is induced tax, or another one is special taxes such as VAT, or luxury tax, which are mainly seen in tourism. We know in tourism many activities related to tourism have more tax and many of the tourism, those who are invested in tourism have also suffered due to this kind of luxury taxes. Tourism normally have a big luxury taxes. Then we can come to the negative economic impacts of tourism. What are the negative economic impacts of tourism? We said the positive economic impacts means we are getting money due to tourism. Our country's GDP is increasing, we are getting tax, we are getting employment, and then when we are discussing about the negative impacts of tourism, we can firstly say our money, we are not getting the money, means it is leaking. The money is leaking. So leakage of money mainly comes from when the tourist is purchasing some products which are basically from another countries. For example, if a Russian tourist comes here and he needs a vodka, he purchases vodka from a nearby bar, and the money actually goes to Russia. And if a tourist is purchasing a Pepsi, the money goes to America. So in tourism, leakage are negative impacts. Then we can also say another negative economic impact, that means a displacement effect. Means some projects which are actually beneficial for the residents, means some kind of water supply project. And if somebody finds, if the local authority finds tourism have more scope, then what will they do? They will displace the current project which will be benefiting the residents, and it will be replaced by the tourism project. So actually one project will be displaced by another. It happens in tourism sometimes, and it can be also said in another term such as opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means an opportunity is lost. In the same context, it again comes, means the fund which is to be spent for the residents may be utilized for tourists. So we can go to next, socio-cultural impacts. Socio-cultural impacts affects tourism, means tourism cannot move without including the society. Tourism is also part of the society. Means the residents and tourists both are sharing the same resources. A hospital, a bus, a train, these things are shared by both tourists and residents. So there is a kind of sharing happens. The social cultural, the thing is, we can classify the positive and negative impacts. In socio positive impacts, in a society, when a tourist comes, the tourists are actually attracted to the culture of that country. And when tourists attracted to the culture, means we have to preserve the culture. What are the specialty of culture in Kerala? The specialty of culture of Kerala means our festivals, our religions, and each and everything, our food habits, our agricultural sector, everything. So we have to keep that genuinity of our culture. We have to preserve it. We have to preserve our monuments, our temples, mosques, churches, each and everything. So we will protect our each and everything in our society, especially our cultural aspect, our tradition, culture, everything. And another thing is, many arts and art forms which is being slowly moving away from the society, or means the artists who are losing the interest in such things will get some job, they will get some income. So the socio-cultural impacts means a positive impact means we are preserving it. We are preserving our culture. Then let's come to the negative impacts. Okay, negative impacts. So we can conclude the negative impacts of this. Means when tourist comes, there's a cultural mix happens. Means people from different culture comes to one genuine culture, and a mixed culture forms there. We can see many examples of this thing, and then we can discuss these things in our next class. Means it's a broad topic, and we can conclude with means tourism have many impacts, and especially it is economic, social, environmental, and political. And we discuss the economic impact in detail, and we will discuss socio-cultural impact in next class. Thank you.